As people age, their bodies naturally become more fragile, and physical resilience declines. For seniors over 70, even minor accidents or exposure to certain hazards can have serious consequences, sometimes leading to long-term health complications or loss of independence. Keynote 1 emphasizes that seniors are particularly vulnerable to physical injuries and health hazards in specific environments, making awareness and caution crucial for maintaining safety. One of the primary reasons seniors are at increased risk is the natural decline in muscle strength, bone density, and balance that occurs with aging. Osteoporosis, for instance, makes bones more brittle, meaning a simple fall can result in fractures that would be less likely in younger individuals. Similarly, reduced flexibility and slower reflexes make it harder to recover from sudden slips, trips, or uneven surfaces. Places such as crowded shopping centers, poorly lit streets, or uneven sidewalks may seem ordinary to younger adults, but for seniors, these environments can become dangerous zones where a single misstep can have serious repercussions. Another concern is that many seniors have underlying health conditions like heart problems, diabetes, or arthritis, which can compound the risks associated with certain locations. For example, walking in areas with extreme temperatures, either very hot or very cold, can place undue stress on the cardiovascular system. Similarly, environments with high pollution or allergens can aggravate respiratory conditions such as asthma or chronic obstructive pulmonary disease (COPD). Public spaces with poor hygiene or inadequate sanitation can also increase the risk of infections, which seniors' immune systems may struggle to fight off effectively. Crowded places pose another hidden hazard. Seniors may find it difficult to navigate through large gatherings, increasing the risk of falls or collisions. Panic situations or sudden movements in these areas can further exacerbate vulnerability. Even places that appear safe, like malls, recreational centers, or certain tourist attractions, can contain hidden risks such as wet floors, steep stairs, or cluttered pathways that may lead to accidents. Beyond the physical environment, certain social settings can indirectly impact a senior's health. For example, highly stressful or noisy environments can trigger anxiety, disorientation, or even heart-related issues. Cognitive decline in some seniors can make it harder to judge distances or recognize hazards, which further increases the likelihood of accidents. Understanding these risks allows seniors and their caregivers to make proactive decisions. Simple measures like choosing well-maintained, quiet, and accessible locations, using mobility aids if necessary, and avoiding risky environments can significantly reduce the likelihood of injury. Awareness and precaution are not about restricting freedom. Rather, they empower seniors to live safely, confidently, and independently while minimizing exposure to avoidable dangers. In conclusion, the first keynote highlights a critical aspect of aging: the increased vulnerability to physical injuries and health hazards in everyday environments. By acknowledging these risks and making conscious choices about where to go and how to navigate public spaces, seniors over 70 can protect their health, prevent accidents, and enjoy a better quality of life. Emphasizes that avoiding high-risk places helps seniors over 70 maintain independence, safety, and overall well-being. As people age, preserving autonomy becomes one of the most important aspects of a fulfilling life. Seniors often wish to live independently, make their own decisions, and engage in social or recreational activities without constant reliance on others. However, exposure to unsafe or hazardous environments can quickly compromise this independence, leading to injuries, health setbacks, or even the need for full-time care. Being selective about the places they frequent is a proactive strategy to protect both their physical health and mental peace. Maintaining safety in daily life directly impacts overall well-being. For seniors, even small accidents like slips, trips, or minor falls can have cascading effects, ranging from fractures to prolonged immobility. Such incidents not only affect physical health but can also lead to psychological consequences like anxiety, fear of movement, and social withdrawal. By avoiding environments known for risks, such as poorly lit streets, crowded public areas, or locations with uneven surfaces, seniors significantly reduce the likelihood of accidents. This precaution allows them to continue engaging in daily routines, social interactions, and recreational activities, which are vital for both physical and mental health. Beyond physical safety, avoiding high-risk places also safeguards emotional and mental well-being. Certain locations can be stressful, overwhelming, or cognitively demanding. For example, extremely crowded shopping centers, noisy public transport, or fast-paced urban areas can induce stress, confusion, or sensory overload in older adults. Stress, in turn, affects sleep, blood pressure, and overall mood. By consciously choosing safer, calmer environments, seniors can enjoy their activities without feeling rushed, anxious, or mentally strained. This enhances not only their mood but also their cognitive functioning and overall quality of life. Additionally, careful avoidance of dangerous areas fosters a sense of empowerment and confidence. Knowing which places are safe and which ones carry hidden risks enables seniors to make informed decisions about their mobility and social engagement. This proactive approach reduces dependence on caregivers or family members, allowing seniors to maintain a level of autonomy that is crucial for dignity and self-esteem. Whether it's choosing a well-maintained park for a morning walk, visiting quieter community centers, or selecting accessible stores, these choices reinforce a lifestyle of independence and self-reliance. Health considerations also play a role in this strategy. Many seniors have chronic conditions that can be exacerbated by environmental hazards. Avoiding extreme temperatures, polluted areas, or places with poor sanitation helps prevent infections, heat strokes, or respiratory complications. Such preventive measures reduce the frequency of hospital visits and medical interventions, contributing to overall well-being and a sense of control over one's life.